ProDentim. This review introduces to you a supplement, ProDentim, which can resolve all teeth issues. The key aim of the supplement is to increase the probiotics in the mouth, which improves the health of gum and teeth. There are several other criteria for the supplement discussed in this review. If you are planning to purchase ProDentim, this review will help you to know more about the supplement. It speaks about the ingredients, benefits, working, consumption, pricing, and all the other aspects of the supplement. You can continue reading this review to gain maximum information about ProDentim. ProDentim is a natural supplement that promotes the health of teeth and gums. The supplement is in the form of soft tablets which start working from the very moment you melt it in the mouth. Apart from enhancing teeth health, it also boosts the immune health of the ear, nose, and throat. The nutritional formula also maintains the health of the gums. ProDentim fights against bad breath by killing the bacteria that causes it. ProDentim dietary supplement uses natural and high-quality ingredients that are clinically proven to promote complete oral health. These probiotic candies are claimed to solve all the problems related to teeth and gum and hence restore their optimum health. ProDentim Oral Health Support Formula predominantly contains probiotics as the ingredients. The role of these probiotics is to increase the number of good bacteria that support oral health. These bacteria help in boosting the immunity power, in turn protecting your tooth from infection-causing germs. This dietary supplement will keep the gums and teeth healthy. It also provides permanent white to the teeth. ProDentim probiotic tablet eradicates the germs which produce cavities and decay in the teeth. Chewing this dental health supplement will help you to enjoy long-lasting fresh breath. It also reduces the chances of bleeding gums and other oral diseases. ProDentim soft pills help in retaining the microbiome of your mouth, which is lost due to the usage of artificial products like toothpaste and mouthwash. ProDentim Oral Health Supplement is manufactured in the US by following all the safety guidelines. It is manufactured with high standards, and the manufacturing facilities are approved by the FDA. The ProDentim formula is free from GMOs, preservatives, additives, stimulants, glutens, etc. It is a non-habit-forming supplement, which is completely derived from natural ingredients. All of the ingredients which are used in the supplement are safe and are often tested for purity. ProDentim Dental Health Supplement is tested in third-party labs to ensure that it is free from toxicants and contaminants. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.